Alright, so we're gonna try a little bit of something different here today. Gotta make sure the GoPro is all set up, but gotta get this car to the garage. Gotta try and fix something really quick. So let's go ahead and get this started here. Yeah. Just so you guys know, I can't start the car in the garage. That's one of the rules. Because of the gas fumes, it's pretty terrible, so I gotta bring the car out here. And besides, I want to try and fix something anyways, and I can't turn the car on until I fix it. So let's go ahead and sort this out. So what's going on, guys? It's your boy God Maliga. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna be taking the car out. I'm gonna grab some food, but before I do that, we're going to try and fix something with the R32. It's starting to make belt squeal noises, and I know exactly what's causing that. So we just gotta sort out what the issue is, and then we could take the car out for a spin, and then hopefully you guys can hear some nice little exhaust noises. Happy New Year, by the way. Hopefully you guys had a good New Year, and let's get started. Hopefully you guys can see this. I do need a 12mm. 12. I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me. When you don't talk to me, yeah. There we go. There's something inside. Yeah, there's something inside. Yeah, this car is constantly squealing on cold starts with the belt, and it's starting to get on my nerves. So, oh, I got everything tightened up. So let's see. That's what I'm talking about. No more belt squeal, and we're good to go. So alright, so let's see if this thing's recording. It is. Cool. Alright, so like I said, we're going on a drive, and then this is pure RB noises, driving, Skyline action, no talking. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Is actually low on power right now. The reason why is because there is an exhaust stud on the exhaust manifold that actually broke off. So it kind of, like, if I were to rev it out, it's gonna stay at 6,000 RPM, and then it just stays there. It doesn't do anything. So yeah, we'll do a small little pull here for you guys and see what's up. So look at that. A Tesla too, that sucks. Sucks to suck, my guy. Whee! God, this thing is popping today. Man, this car is a blast. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Want to give you guys a short little taste of what the Skyline sounds like. I know it's not a video that you guys are used to seeing, but yeah, this car has got some things coming up for it soon, and I'm about to reveal some of those things here shortly, and hope you guys look forward to that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of me driving around in my RB20 GTST. And yeah, subscribe if you enjoy my content, and Happy New Year.